Yes. Do you want me to make video?
It is video
Oh,
now.
okay. Well, we're here at Boracay Island. It's our last day. We're cutting through the food and the marketplace area where there's many shirts and jewelry for sale. Lots of desserts. And we're just going to give a small overview of things because if you're from a foreign country, you might want to know what's here to eat. If you look at the sign here, we have all kinds of different hamburger styles, monster burgers, classic burgers.
There's lots.
Mama Boracay, where you can get any kind of home-cooked type of foods. So if you like French fries and mashed potatoes or something.
Kawai kawai.
Okay, ang dama na imong 200 para sa
Mini tourists.
strike to port. 200 man sa Philippines.
Kawai kawai. Kawai kawai.
Many things for
Kawai
sale.
kawai.
Jewelry, keepsakes, bags, baskets.
My little baby.
Bye.
Souvenirs,
Lots of
shirts,
t-shirts.
and chips, and lots of food,
Lots of food.
lots of
barbecue,
snacks, lots of
chicken.
whatever. You can find everything in here.
They even show they got a
Look at their thing, Bops.
tattoo and barbershop.
They have barbershop too. If you like natives, they have natives too. Here's my tourist.
You can even find medicines or toothpaste, shampoo,
Pharmacy.
personal care items.
Oh my god, videographer.
He is the vlogger.
This is something you gotta try. I gotta show you this.
Oh yes, we had this last night. It was so good.
You gotta
We
try
had
it.
this one,
I had
mango ice cup. It was so yummy.
and yes, just make a coconut shake for 200 pesos. Yummy, yummy.
It's very yummy. We enjoyed our stay here. Hopefully we can come back here next time.
For more days.
For more days. Where's Kuya Mark? Here's my family.
Tired but satisfied.
Okay, Mama, what do you think about Boracay?
Happy. Happy the family.
What do you think about Boracay? And I hope? And I hope? What do you think about Boracay? Ikaw, what do you think about Boracay?
It's fine.
How about you, Annabelle?
Tired but satisfied. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
the Mayora who sponsor and the major Piapon.
Balita ko.
Manaon, palit na ko. Gabi kapon.
Sada yung mga pala.
Sano da?
What else pa?
There's more than enough hotel accommodations here for large families or many more people. The hotel we stayed in was very
Wow, may lanaping, ma'am.
very
No, thank
how
you,
do
sir.
say only maybe half full. So they actually gave us a separate room just out of their courtesy because it was available and nobody was using it. So that was
Yes.
nice of them.
We had 3 rooms instead of 2 rooms. So that was so nice and it
they
was
had air
very
conditioning
comfy.
as well. It might be
Favorite,
an
Paul's
older
favorite,
place.
the air conditioner.
Air conditioning for sleeping. The rest doesn't bother me that much. Anyways, that's a small overview. We will pick up when we move to another location here before we leave.
Yep.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
I hope you're enjoying the sunshine.
All right,
Bye for
enjoy. Bye. See ya.
Bye for now.
Boracay.